Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I'm so excited because today is Boxycharm Day, and we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of October. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription box, and you get 5 to 6 full-size products in each month's box. I have been subscribed for some time now, and I absolutely love it. And I think it is the best subscription box out there. And if you have not tried it, I definitely think that you should check it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got in this month's box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. And they always include a little card on top, and it has all of the items inside and how much they retail for. So we will set that aside for now. And the first item on top in the bag here is a Dermovia, which I've never heard of that brand before. It is a lace appeal black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. It looks like it says it's an intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Basically, it's an exfoliating peel off mask, which I can definitely get some use out of. So I am excited that we got this in the box, and I will definitely try that out. Up next in the box is this guy, and this is a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, one of her everlasting liquid lipsticks, and I got the shade Bow and Arrow. And this is what the product looks like here. And I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. It's a very brownish nude color. Hopefully it doesn't look too nude on my lips because I do have a lot of trouble with nude shades making me look too dead almost. So that's what that looks like there. It looks like it will be a good color on me, so I will definitely try this out. I have tried Kat Von D liquid lipsticks in the past, and I know that they are very, very drying on the lips. So if that's not something that you like on your lips, I would not recommend trying out that formula. Next up, we have the item that I am the most excited about in the whole box, and that is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I have heard so many good things about this mascara, but I have never tried it out. So I am super, super excited to try it out. This is what the tube looks like. And I'm not going to open it up just yet because I do have some mascaras that I'm trying to finish up before I open up a new one. But I will definitely open this up as soon as I can. And I am just so excited and glad that we received this in the box. This right here retails for $24. So that right there covers the entire cost of the box. So that's very exciting. Next up, we have a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So we have received this brand in the box before, and we have received the Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask Conditioner for the shower, but this looks like it's a spray for your hair. It says spray throughout freshly washed and damp hair with focus on mid-length and ends. Interesting. So that's what this product looks like here. And Briogeo is a great brand, so this is a good product to have received in the box as well. And last up, we have the palette for this month, and it is from the brand Pure Cosmetics, and it says the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So this is what the outside looks like. And it looks like it has some face shades as well as some eye shades. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the outside, and then you open it up, and sorry, I'm going to blind you from the mirror, but there are the face shades on this side, and then we have the eyeshadows on this side, and the eyeshadows look a bit different from stuff that we normally see in our Boxycharm palette, so that is exciting. We have this really gorgeous blue over here, so I'm excited about that. I'm not the biggest fan of the Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow formula, but I am very excited to try out those face shades because I haven't tried out their face shades before. Okay, here are the swatches from the palette. Sorry that they are literally the most terrible swatches that anyone has ever done in the history of YouTube. Actually, in the history of makeup in general. But these are the face shades over here. And these blushes are not plain. They are so pigmented. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is more of the corally one, and this is more of the berry one, and they're a little scary. And then we have the eyeshadow shades over here, and they look absolutely stunning. This blue and this green. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear those on the eyes. So overall, I think that the box was pretty good this month. I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite. We've definitely had better boxes in the past. I think last month was definitely better than this month, but it's not terrible. I'm really, really excited about the It Cosmetics mascara. I think that is my favorite product out of the box this month. But I'm also excited to try out the spray and the lipstick, and then also the face mask and the palette. Um, they're just not like, really amazing products that have me really, really excited. So I will definitely be testing all of those products out. And that is it for today's video. It was a quick one today. If you like this type of content, I would love to have you subscribe to my beauty channel. I post every Friday. I also have a blog at Kathleen Rose Beauty, and I post every Wednesday on my blog. I would love to have you as a part of the family. Again, thank you all so much for stopping by, and I guess I will see you all in my next video. Bye.